Good morning, students. This is Kiran sir, and we're dealing with English, fifth English. We're discussing the Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. This is the poem written by the Robert Frost. Actually, in last lesson, we already taking the question answers, but this is the need to working with words and learning about languages. I will send a PDF. I will send a PDF for the reference to context and other one also, but we have to show the video for the working with words and learning about language. So students, open your test books, page number 21st 21, and keep it pencil in your hand. So working with words, suffix. Sometimes we can add the suffix y to a word when we wish to use it as an adjective. Example, down can be turned into downy. This is the making the adjective. So suffix and prefix. Prefix, these are the words we put in front of the words, and suffix, this joining in the end of the sentence. This is the difference between suffix and prefix. Okay. Now see first, add the suffix y. Add the suffix y. Y को suffix add करना है words के end में to these words, and then use the new words adjective you have made in sentence of your own. Be careful with the spelling. See first, fluff, fluffy. Only add there y, fluffy. Fun, funny. FUNNY, funny. Leaf, leafy. Y ऐड करो. शुगर, सी डी नंबर शुगर, sugary और y, and e bend, bendy. So this is the y suffix we joined that words. Only be funny, you have to make a double n y, and remaining words having a y also, but this words having a double n with y. Okay, cautiously understand that. Now see the second. Add the suffix y to the following where possible. जहां पर possible हो वहीं पे यूज करना है, हर जगह नहीं. Not all the words can take the suffix y, so check in a dictionary and be careful about some spelling changes. Okay, so these are the some list of the words. So we have to find out where we put the y, which words necessary and which word not necessary. So first, red, ready बनेगा. No, make there cross. See, there is a red, make cross there. Red का ready नहीं बनता है. B, run, runny. Yes, double n y, runny. C, shade, saddy. But when SHADY, E को निकाल दो, Y पुट करो there. Okay, this is shady. Close, not closey, cross there. D, cross. Shout, shouting, नहीं. E को भी क्रॉस करो, ये भी नहीं बनेगा. Now F, thorn, yes, thorny. THORNY, thorny. Put there Y. Wet, wetty. Yes, wet, wetty. Y को put करो there. Now cold, coldy. There is a nothing, any type of that type of word, coldy. This is the H number. Make cross there, not becoming the suffix Y. Now snow, yes, snowy. SNOWY, snowy, right. And last word, sun, yes, sunny. But you have to put SUNNY. Okay. So this is not making the suffix, so make cross there, and those words having the suffix add y there. Okay. Now say learning about languages. In learning about language, see the second, page number 21, second. State whether the underlined words are noun or verbs. Underline किए गए words noun है या verbs है, you have to put there. A. Time should be wasted. Time should be wasted. Noun, right there, noun in front of that sentence. B. We can easily time how long it will take by using a stopwatch. We can easily time. What is the time? Verb here. So right there, verb. Now C. The flies settle on the piece of bread. The flies settled. Already settle is the verb there. So flies is a noun. Right there, noun. Now D. He flies to many different countries each year. He flies. Yes, verb. Now E. We rent an apartment. We rent. Okay, this is the verb. Now last one, F. She pays rent for her apartment. She pays. Pays is the verb and here rent is the noun. So what is the work of that words in the sentence? According to that, we have to put their noun or verb. So this is also you have to write in a notebook. Working with words and learning about language second. And after that, learning about language, in the learning about language, question number first and reference to context, I will send the PDF. All things you have to put in your notebook. Okay? Yes. Thank you.